Friends, today we are going to discuss one more organic problem. The problem have been asked in CSIR, NET, and other state level exams. And the question is asking which monoterpene is responsible for obtaining this lactone under given reaction condition. Means the product will be mentioned here, condition is given here by which it is formed, but starting material is not given. Means starting material is blanked here. Okay, so they mentioned in option 4, option is given here. Means these are terpenes, and you should be select in one, you should be select one in four of them. Okay, so how you will select? So first of all, you should be know about that reagent which is mentioned here. So the properties of that reagents by which you can get the monoterpenes which is selected as a starting material here. So first of all, if you see here, what is the function of dilute camenophore? Okay, so dilute camenophore, what is the function? It means if there is alkene, it forms cis 1,2 diol. You can say cis hydroxylation. Okay, so after that what happened? They add dilute camenophore. Means there will be alkene on which it will be act dilute camenophore. Means it forms cis hydroxylation 2-1,2 diol. Okay, this is 1,2 diol. So after that what will be? In the second situation, they add CrO3. Okay, CrO3, what is the function of CrO3? It form chromate ester. Means CrO3, there are 3 double bond oxygen attached to chromium. So it will like that. It because when oxygen lone pair attack chromium, it will form oxy O minus. Okay, so 2 O minus will be formed here. So you should neglect this one, and there you should be add this one. Okay, so like that. Means we want to say that this will be formed. Okay, when chromium attacks on this. So after that what will be? If you see here, this bond will be broken out, this will be separated. Okay, so it forms, means this CC bond will be break down and 2 ketone will be formed here. Okay, so understand. So the first condition which is given here, if you see dilute camenophore CrO3, so in this, so after that what will be? So first of all, you select that one, the first alkene. Okay, the first alkene, if you add dilute camenophore, so it formed cis hydroxylation takes place, and it after CrO3 attack it form, means it will be break down here. Okay, so it forms like that. Okay, OH, it will like that. Okay, so 2 CO is formed here. So if you see here, this lone pair of oxygen will attack which. So after that what happen here? They add alkaline camenophore and heat. Okay, so in the presence of alkaline camenophore, this moiety will be, if you read reagent chemistry na, then you should be know about that. Okay, that alkaline camenophore, this might be converted to COH, and this will be, this lone pair of electron will be attack on this, and how many membered ring will be formed? 1, 2, 3, 4 membered. Means 4 membered ring will be formed if you select this one. Means if you select this one, 4 membered will be formed, but in the product 5 membered ring is given here. Okay, so you should be neglect that one. And if you see B and D, OH is given here. Okay, but OH, if you see OH, this OH will be, means here if you see this moiety containing oxygen, means lone pair of either this one lone pair of oxygen will attack on CO group, so it cannot possible here and here. Only two starting material which is mentioned here can be possible, because these are attack oxygen and it will attack CO group, okay, which is after this, after breakdown by adding CrO3, okay. Okay, understand, we want what we want to say, okay. So this you can neglect this, you can neglect this, you can neglect this, the remaining is this one. So we will find out the exact mechanism of this product. So it the terpenes which is given here like that, okay, means one double bond is here and this one, okay. So what will be happen here? First of all what happen here, you should be through this mechanism it will break down here CO, OH and like that, okay, means it converted to aldehyde. After that what happen here, if you see the mechanism, okay, after that what will be, if you add KMNO4, first of all this will first of all there are two sides, one is and the other one is that. So first of all what happen here, this 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 membered ring will be formed here, 5 membered ring will be formed here, okay, will be formed, okay. So you can see here this lone pair attack on this and the structure should change to that one, this oxygen here, if you see here this one and this one, okay, this oxygen like that, okay. Understand how I will mention here. So if you see here we mentioned here like that, so you should be understand how it will draw, okay. That's why you can in exams you can easily draw the mechanism and clearly you can find out the product, okay. So first off, if you see here this one is added alkaline KMNO4 and heat is given here. So if you see here alkaline, if you add alkaline KMNO4, so this moiety will be unaffected, the remaining is this one, this 1 3 and this one is like that 1 2 3, so 1 2 3, this one, and if you find the products, this one means oxygen near oxygen it one, okay. So by adding this what will be happen here, alkaline KMNO4, this will convert this one, okay, and this carbon, this bond will migrated here and this means ketonol type isomerism takes place here. So after understand double bond 1 2 is attached to ring, okay. So this one like that, okay. So after that what happen, this in the presence of alkaline KMNO4 and heat, it will be converted to SCHO1 and the other will be form acid, okay. So your product should be okay, like that one, okay, like that. Okay, so it is your product, so you will find through mechanism your products. And here if you see this is your product. So if you see here, the same product will be formed after this mechanism. So friends, very carefully you should be draw mechanism by which you can obtain the product. So your answer should be right down, you should be correct will be the C. Okay, so friends, please subscribe my channel. Okay, if you like this video, and please write your reviews in comment box. Okay, by which we can improve your way of teaching means. Okay, so thank you.